That is definitely cool. And it's got a trailer.
Oh yeah, it does.
This has got a trailer. Boy, oh boy. There's so many cool things we could do with that trailer.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today I'm here with Paisley May from Paisley TV.
Hi.
Hi. We just got a package from Mattel, again, from Hot Wheels. Thank you very much, guys. This is the M mix of the Team Transports.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. We got 4 of them.
Yes, we did.
And these are the latest from Hot Wheels, the Team Transport car culture stuff. These, I don't know if they're out yet. I see them here and there, but something to look for. This is number 27.
Yes, it is.
This is the Ad Van Nissan Skyline GTR in the back. And the van is black and red, and the car is also black and red.
Yes.
The base is metal. You know, the whole thing on this pretty much is metal. The box van or the box itself is plastic, but the cab is metal. The base is metal,
Yes.
and it's these. You know, I love these.
Yeah.
These are really
do
cool.
too.
I know you can put your car in there.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have somebody make us a Barbie one.
Any kind of car that will fit.
Yeah, I know. Wouldn't it be cool to have a Barbie one like
Oh
that?
yeah.
Yeah? We'll see if we can ask Chris Walker to make a Barbie one like that.
A pink one.
Of course, it has to be pink, right?
Pink and blue.
Pink and blue? All right, we can do that. All right.
Yeah, with some pie candy on it.
And cotton candy? Okay. All right, let's get back to this. The wheels on this are, on the truck, are gray plastic. Now, don't forget that some of the Australian ones earlier had wheel variations on the truck and wheel variations on the car. Our buddy Brent got a set from Australia, and he was lucky enough to get them, of course. But he did bring them over to here, and I took photographs of all of them, and we're going to have an episode on all of the Australian variations a little bit later. So always keep your eyes out, keep your eyes open for the wheels on the trucks and the wheels on the car, because sometimes they do get different. So yeah, this has got the Nissan Skyline in it. The Nissan Skyline is black and red. Has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the gray 5 spokes on the car, and but yeah, the truck is black and red. The car is black and red, and that is basically it for this one. All right. Next one up. This is really cool. This is the Volkswagen Baja Bug with a Horizon hauler, and the cab on this always, to me, looks like the old Dodge 66, 67, 68 Dodge trucks. Really cool. But the Baja Bug is definitely a classic. No matter how far back you go, it is just awesome. Got big old header hanging out of the back there. Interior on it is black. The wheels are huge. They're look like they got big knobs on the tires, and the wheels themselves are gray plastic. The wheels on the truck also are gray plastic, kind of like the ones on the Sakura Sprinter, as they call it. But yeah, the Baja Bug is definitely really cool. It's got clear windows on it. The truck also has clear windows. This is a ramp truck. It says Hoonigan on the side there. And Hoonigan's always got some really cool stuff. Base on this one is a silver painted metal base. And it also has the grille that is chrome. Yeah, lots of chrome on this. The grille is chrome. The gas tanks are chrome. The step is chrome. But yeah, really neat. Does it say Hoonigan in the back? Does it say Hoonigan on the back window?
Yes.
Yep, says hoonigan on the back window of the Baja Bug. Also, the like I said, the base is metal, which goes with the front bumper. Interior on it is gray plastic, and that is about it for this one. But yeah, the Baja Bug, really cool. You know what? We could probably hop in that and go for a ride in all the sand dunes, have some fun. No?
We don't have one.
Oh, we don't have one? Maybe we should get one. We should build one. Yeah?
No.
All right, next one up. This is really cool. This is number 33, the Ford RS 200. I know, look at that. With the rally van. All right?
Cool.
Everything's done in white. That is definitely cool. And it's got a trailer.
Oh, yeah, it does.
This has got a trailer. Boy, oh boy. There's so many cool things we could do with that trailer.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. The Ford RS 200, and it's got some dark blue tampos on it. The windows are tinted pretty good.
It says something on the back.
It says something on the back? Nope, nothing on the back of that one. But the taillights are done up really nice on that. The headlights are done up. Tampos are really nice on this one. The wheels are gray plastic, and don't forget, all of these have rubber tires on them. The trailer, same thing. The trailer tires match the race car. And the van, man, that is really cool. Got a blue tint metal base on it. It's painted to match the car, of course. You know, I would think that they would do a Ford van. This looks like a Chevy van.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But you would think they would do a Ford van. But then again, it says Ford Race Team on the side.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe it's Australian because it's different.
And on the picture right here,
I know.
It's kind of dirty.
Yeah, well, it looks like it's raining, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, got a lot of mud around there. But has a big, the van itself has a big plastic roof on it, so people can hang out and watch the races.
Oh, yeah.
But it does say Ford Race Team on it, so this could be an Australian Ford. You Australian guys, let us know if that is an Australian Ford van, because I've never seen one here in the U.S.
Yeah.
I know you haven't seen one either.
Yeah.
No. But this trailer is really cool, and everything about this rally van and Ford RS 200 is definitely cool. So maybe we're gonna have to pick up a couple of these and take them apart and grab that trailer.
Oh, yeah.
And put something cool on the trailer, like maybe Grampy's Altered, the Altered Roadster.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. All right, there you go. Last one up. Number 34.
Oh,
now,
34.
oh yeah, look at that Vega.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
That is a Pro Stock Vega.
Wait a minute, what did that say on the side?
Summit Racing
Let's
Parts.
see if it says something on the back window.
On the back window, nothing on the back window on that one. Nope. But this Vega is done up red, white, and blue. The hauler is done up red, white, and blue, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The hauler has chrome wheels on it. Interior is gray plastic, but the Vega is man, I always wanted a Vega. I have a story about a Vega. All right, I'll tell you the story about the Vega. All right, saw a Vega for sale, just like this, tubbed, ready to go, had a motor in it, had a spare motor. Could have had it for like $5,000. So I'm driving down the road, and I'm taking my wife out for a ride, and I pull into where, actually by my Uncle Joe's house. Pull in the guy's driveway, and there's the Vega sitting there, and my wife's looking at me. I said, "What are we doing here?" I said, "Well, I want to check out this Vega." She got all huffy and all upset, as wives do. Well, that was back when we didn't really have that much money. Not that we have a lot now, but, you know. But she... I kept looking at it, and kind of made a deal with the guy, and we left. So we had a little discussion about it, a little more discussion about it, and pretty much the answer was, you married guys know, the answer was no. And every time I saw a really cool car that was tubbed, and going down the street, I said, boy, you know, my Vega would have looked like that. Or, hey, my Vega would have sounded like that. So after a while, she really got tired of hearing me say the Vega, the Vega, the Vega. She said, "That's it. Go get it." Okay, cool. I'm in. Went to the guy's house. Guy sold the car day before. So that's my Vega story. Missed out on Vega.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, not too cool. But hey, must have been a reason for that, other than her saying no. But yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous Vega. It is done in white enamel. It's got a black interior. Windows are tinted on it. It's got chrome wheels on it. They look like rocket wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Got great big slicks on it. Wheelie bars.
Ooh,
I know.
wheelie bars.
Yeah, wheelie bars. They're definitely a beautiful looking Vega from Summit.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember if I bought any parts for the S10 from Summit. I got a lot of stuff from Jegs, but not. I think Uncle Chris bought some stuff last week from Jegs or from Summit.
So.
Yeah, he did. I don't know what he bought, but he called and said, "Hey, you need any parts from Summit?" So, but I didn't. So, but he did. So there you go, 74 Chevrolet Vega Pro Stock with a Horizon hauler done up in red, white, and blue with the Summit tampos.
Oh, yeah, that's cool.
That is definitely cool. Another thing I want to talk about, all 4 of these are on the back of the card.
Yes.
And that is it. The latest team transports from Hot Wheels. That is, what case is that? The M case, the M mix. And we want to, again, thank Hot Wheels for sending them out to us so we can show them to you. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And don't forget, for your little ones, please subscribe to Paisley TV. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. And please be kind to one another. All right. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.